What's your word of the day? How do you see today shaping up?
Well, my word of the day is 2025 S with an S with it. And that's looking out to 2025 and looking for opportunities, those that have lagged. But I want to be clear, at least between now and the end of the year, I think you let the winners ride because we do have a strong economy, consumer spending, ISM manufacturing is recovering. And so I think the seasonality and those things that have worked will continue to work. Online retail, that's Amazon, energy transformation, that's Eaton and Quanta Services, financials, and then parts of tech. But for 2025, I am looking for opportunities. And that is why that's my word of the day.
All right. By the way, we're looking at some of the positive data points that you're looking at. That's holiday retail sales. That's the Fed's GDP now read of 3.2%. And you mentioned the ISM number. I want to lean on that ISM number. Better than expected, but still in contraction. In your mind, is that a read into industrials or materials, the fact that it expanded? I know it's in contraction still, but is that a bullish sign when it comes to those two cyclical sectors?
Yeah, I mean, I think that, look, ISM is up 200 basis points. To your point, still below 50 in contraction, but you're up 200 basis points month over month. And the new orders up 300 basis points. That's your leading indicator. So there have been pockets of manufacturing that have worked, the energy transformation, as I mentioned, anything tied to the grid. But now you're seeing a broadening out within the industrials. And I think that's very encouraging.
Steph, I want to get to your picks. We want to hit on two of them, actually. Let's start off with one of them in the gaming space. Give us your pick in the gaming space. Why are you picking this name?
It's Las Vegas Sands, and it really is on Macau turning around and the company turning around its operations in Macau. That's 60% of their business, and they've had fits and starts. They've done a lot of renovations over there. I think the renovations have peaked, and as a result, the lost market share, they can actually see a reversal in 2025. We also have a spring catalyst because they have an analyst day in Macau, and I think they're going to be very upbeat. Okay. Meanwhile, 40% of their book is Singapore, and that's humming.
Steph, we want to get to the other pick, but very quickly, we're showing a 5-year chart. Anybody that's watching TV right now can see that Las Vegas Sands is actually below its pre-COVID highs, pretty significantly below. What's going to lead the stock to even get back to that? Is that what you're seeing, or is it just improvement?
Look, it hasn't done anything. It's down 27% in 4 years. So to your point, exactly. I do think, though, that they are getting their act together in terms of Macau. I think they're going to gain market share as their renovations stop and they end and they get more people into their facilities. And at the same time, I think the traffic numbers have been very strong in Macau.
I want to go to the other pick. It's in cybersecurity. I'm going to just name this one for you. It's Zscaler. We're going to show a chart since that CrowdStrike incident back on July 19th. It's lagging the rest of the cybersecurity sector. It was supposed to be a beneficiary. Why are you bullish on this name despite a bunch of, I guess, hiccups when it comes to earnings?
I think a lot of these cybersecurity companies go through hiccups, and Zscaler is going through one now. But the total addressable market of cybersecurity is $1 trillion between now and 2030. CTOs are spending on AI and cybersecurity, and the stock is down 10% versus its peers, and they beat and raised, and they had 30% bookings growth. So I think that it was an overreaction. I think it plays catch up in 2025, and so this is my favorite name. I own CrowdStrike, but this is my favorite because of the risk reward.
Steph, one last question, and we do have to go after this. Software, after that Salesforce report, are you more bullish, the same, less bullish on software? Do you think it's kind of run its course, or do you put more money and allocate more money in software?
I think you put more money in software and actually in hardware. I think you're going to see strength in technology this year and into next year.